Hey everyone, I am Diane Hammonds. I'm taking this course because I want to, increase even more my comfort with talking about human sexuality and everything that goes into that. But I also want to find out ways to help my clients feel comfortable talking about those things. I feel like as therapists, we get super cozy talking about a bunch of things that most people are conditioned or socialized to treat as taboo. So I want to continue to increase my comfort talking about sexuality, but also find out how to navigate talking about it with people from cultures who traditionally don't talk about sexuality. Um, One area I'm interested in learning more about the development of fetishes. Um, when are fetishes bad? Are fetishes ever bad? Um, I guess things having to do with that. It's not an area that I know much about, but I know that fetishes are incredibly common. So I would just want to equip myself more to be able to validate anybody that I work with that brings that up. And what would I want for safety in this course? Um, I'm a Christian, and I know that the Christian sexual ethic has been oppressive or dominating to people, and has caused pain to people. And I think I would just want maybe, I guess, openness or respect, maybe. I think it's easy to demonize the religion, and there are a lot of people that write about the Christian sexual ethic who are not actually Christians and don't know anything about scripture or like the sexual ethic of scripture or anything like that. And so I guess I would just want openness to hearing about my experience or my beliefs, and um yeah, and for people to just hope for me and believe for me that I can also be affirming of other people and their sexuality, even when they are different than me, or when they value different things than me, or even when they have like even a drastically or opposite sexual ethic. Just confidence that I could be a super good therapist and very validating and respectful of other people. Yeah, that's what I would want. Because I know, like, going into a course on sexuality, I don't know this, but I think I'm expecting for Christians to be demonized. But I myself don't want to be demonized. But there's certainly a lot to own up to, especially when the Christian sexual ethic has been the dominating one for a lot of time, for most of, I think, Western history, and people have been really hurt by policies that have come from that. So it's complex, but yeah, that's what I would like. Thanks for listening, and I'm excited to learn this course.